Okay, we're going to try and do question 5 from the most recent homework. This one is, in fact, a simultaneous equations question, but it's just all wrapped up and hidden. I'm going to sketch out what we can see. We've got point C, which is the coordinates C2, and we've got point D, which has the coordinates 6D, and we know that there's a line going down here, which goes through a midpoint there, which I'm going to call M. Okay, I'm just going to tidy that picture up. Okay, and the coordinates of M will be given by, so the x is c plus 6 over 2, and the the y coordinates will be 2 plus d over 2. We found that easily enough. Okay, so that gives us, using the equation that we have here as well, that y equals, no it doesn't, y plus 4x, y plus 4x equals 11. That's the equation of this line here. If we use that and substitute in the things we know, we can see that 2 plus d over 2 plus 4 times c plus 6 over 2 equals 11. Okay, let's expand and simplify that. I'm going to times through by 2, so I'll get 2 plus d plus 4c plus 24 equals 22. So d plus 4c equals, take away 26, I get minus 4. Okay, I've tidied that up and put that up there. I'm going to clear this bit so that we can do another calculation. The other thing we can do is look at the gradient of the line between C and D. We're told that the gradient of the perpendicular line, well, we're given the equation of that, we're told it's y plus 4x equals 11, so y equals minus 4x plus 11, which therefore the gradient is equal to minus 4, which means that the gradient between C and D is positive a quarter. So, okay, good. We know that a quarter then, use the correct tool, a quarter must equal the change in y. So the change in y is d minus 2 divided by the change in x, which is 6 minus c. Rearrange that, I get 4 equals 6 minus c over d minus 2. Rearranging again, I get 4d minus 2 equals 6 minus c. And then 4d minus 8 equals 6 minus c. So, arranging that so that I get everything right, 4d plus c equals 14. That gives us a pair of simultaneous equations, which I've written at the top of the question. So we can clear the rest of the work here and solve this. So timesing the top one by 4, or the bottom one by 4, whichever makes it easy for us, I'm going to multiply the top by 4. That gives me 4d plus 16c equals minus 24. And the second part is 4d plus c equals 14. Subtract those, I get 15c equals minus 30. So c is minus 2, and we can use that to calculate from either one of the equations that d equals 4. Job's done.